Welcome back. Hurricanes Helene and Milton left thousands of people in the southeast without power for weeks. It will be months, if not years, before the communities finish rebuilding from the damage. Natural disaster preparedness expert Cheryl Nelson shares one family's story and how Jackery Generators is helping them see the light again.
For hurricane survivors Jim and Amy Patton, the Jackery 5,000-plus generator could not have come at a better time.
Next one, we're going to have the Jackery. That will give us the creature comforts instead of walking around with flashlights.
After enduring several major hurricanes on the west coast of Florida, the Pattons have learned how to batten down the hatches when bracing for storms.
These are hurricane shutters.
They worry about their dog, Tank, who can sense the impending storm threat and gets anxious.
We put those hurricane shutters back up, and Tank, he knew, he remembered. You could just see it in his face, like, I can't believe this is happening again.
During the last Hurricane Milton, Jim captured this footage after a transformer blew up, blacking out the entire neighborhood.
It's kind of terrifying, not knowing what's going on outside and what damages are being done.
Another problem, their gas generator just can't go the distance, always running out of fuel.
I went to the boat and siphoned out another 15 gallons, so we were able to keep the generator running. The people that don't have that option, once it's out, you have no power.
And evacuating is not an option with Amy's elderly father, forcing them to face these hurricanes in bleak, terrifying darkness.
Sounds like a freight train coming through your house.
But now they have a revolutionary product that will change that. The Jackery is a lightweight, portable generator. This will finally change the Patton family's entire storm experience. It can superpower their whole home with an uninterrupted power supply during outages.
The Jackery, it's solar panels, so all you gotta do is put the solar panels out there, it recharges itself, and you don't have to worry about that.
This is an easy garage setup. Jackery's smart transfer switch allows for seamless switching between grid power and backup power. A power solution that will keep this family and their pup cool and calm in the next storm.
I can't imagine something happening to him because I don't have power. And if Jackery Generator is going to power my home, it's a game changer for us.